On Windows 8 and 8.1 PCs, there is a way to access your setup and boot options besides when you first start up. This can be useful if you miss your chance to press your boot option key, or if you are already in Windows and you want to switch to Hiltux. When you start up, you will see the Metro interface as shown in this video. From this screen, you can just start typing on your keyboard to search. We want to get to the Advanced Startup options, so just type Advanced Startup options while on the screen and Windows Search will run automatically. Then click on Settings, and then click on Advanced Startup Options. On the right-hand side of the screen, scroll all the way down, and under Advanced Startup, click on Restart Now. From this screen, you have a couple of different options. If you simply want to boot to the USB device right away, click on Use a Device, and then you should be presented with all of the bootable options on your computer. Note that the choices available on your computer will look different than this. Here's how another computer looks, for example, where it just shows one USB device and shows it by name. On this computer, you'll see I have two USB options. Use the EFI USB device option when given a choice like this. However, if you've tried that and are having some problems, you can go back to the first screen and you can click on Troubleshoot, and then Advanced Options, and then UEFI Firmware Settings. Once you click Restart, you'll be brought to your UEFI Firmware Settings or Setup menu. On this computer, you are actually presented with a simplified menu where you can change your boot mode settings directly without drilling down deeper. You can either choose Legacy Boot with Secure Boot Mode off or UEFI boot mode. Hiltux Live USB will work with either, but your computer may prefer one or the other. We can also switch to the Setup menu. On other computers, you may be brought to this in the first place. We go into detail about these boot options in other videos, but most computers will have a boot section where you can disable Microsoft's Secure Boot and enable Legacy Mode if you want to boot legacy devices. As I said earlier, Hiltux will boot with the UEFI option, but know that this is here in the case that you have to change to Legacy Mode for some reason. If you are still having difficulty getting Hiltux Live USB to boot, please review some of our other videos.